We're about to get into the keyword research process, and for this process, in order to actually succeed on YouTube, there is a lot of AI tools. Like, I'm not actually upselling it right now, but there is a lot of AI tools that can be replaced, that have competition. But there are some AI tools that are just mandatory. You just gotta get them, and you just gotta have them. And the tool is vidIQ. So first of all, with my link, I am affiliated with them. I am an ambassador of vidIQ, and with my link, you can have an opportunity to try it for $1 for the first 30 days. And I've been using vidIQ since the day one. Like, literally, if we go to my oldest video, it is actually like about vidIQ. You just saw it right now, and like, it's all real, for real. Like, I've been using it since day one, and without vidIQ, I would not be where I am today in terms of the just opportunities that it gives you as a YouTuber. So it just gives you incredible insights, assistance. So my link is here. Do sign up, because you will need it for the next lesson. And this is how it all comes together. So we're gonna create an account using my link again. Just create your account, and this is where where the magic is gonna happen. Obviously, this is the dashboard. vidIQ has a million of perks and cool things. But what we're really gonna need in this case for now is keywords. Okay, regarding how to actually do the research, we're gonna cover in the next lesson. But just regarding the vidIQ, it's actually my favorite tool for optimizing videos. Like I just said, unlike other YouTube tools, it pulls data directly from YouTube's API, meaning like directly from YouTube. To prove my words, like, vidIQ is actually connected with YouTube. As you can see, they even publish their study materials on here. It's from vidIQ. So after you use my link and enjoy your first month for just $1, it is time to choose the plan. Here are your plan options, and they do offer a yearly option and a monthly option. Now, it kind of makes no sense to pay monthly when you can just pay yearly, and it's a lot of savings, about 50%, I guess, if not more. So yeah, I guess annually would be like $500 roughly. And I mean, if you pay monthly, but like all the time, it's going to be like $600 a year. But that way, it's going to be $200 per year. So yeah, feel free to check it out. We're going to need it for the next lesson, and I'll see you there.